Catholic Charities continues to serve the neediest among us, including Ukrainian refugees displaced by the Russian invasion. Over the last 2 years, more than 300,000 people have been killed and 10 million have fled the country. Never in her wildest dreams did Daria Savenko think she would find herself in a refugee camp, sheltering her children from a thunderous downpour with a single poncho. The 37-year-old mother of two fled her home shortly after the Russians invaded Ukraine in February of 2022. She left behind the beautiful city of Dnipro, comparable to the size of Philadelphia. Entire city blocks have been destroyed. Artillery and attack drones still strike every day.
It was very unexpected and scary for Ukrainian people.
The invaders have been known to steal everything that survives the bombings, loading up clothes and furniture on military vehicles to ship back to Russia. They even take the light bulbs. The only thing left behind after major battles are tripwires, designed to explode and murder any Ukrainian who returns home. That's why 10 million have decided to flee. Savenko and other Ukrainian refugees responded to posts on Facebook about the Diocese of Greensburg Ukrainian Relocation Project, administered by Catholic Charities. The program offers rental and utility assistance, ESL classes, job training and placement, as well as spiritual and mental health support. All this led by a native Ukrainian and Byzantine Catholic pastor, Father Oleg Saremchik.
The help for the Ukrainians from Catholic Church is huge. It started with a process when they start to plan a just trip to Westmoreland County to show them their opportunities and possibilities. That's a huge work, and I would like to thank the Diocese of Greensburg and Catholic Charities for doing that for Ukrainian people.
The Diocese of Greensburg is helped and helping now a lot in moved, in rent, and any questions, if I have any questions, Diocese of Greensburg help me.
Savenko and other Ukrainian newcomers were matched with employers almost immediately.
I want to stress how wonderful these individuals are, how they are hardworking individuals. They want to contribute to the communities that they are living in, and they appreciate that opportunity to do so. If you have an interest in reaching out to say, I would like to help support the families that are coming into this area and wanting to work, I do have job opportunities, I'm willing to interview and hire and train, please reach out to us.
The Papa Fava Ray Foundation has committed more than $100,000 in 2024 and led a Christmas brigade for the refugees, supplying and delivering gifts to each family. The Ukrainian flag was visible as friends and employees of General Carbide CEO Mana Papafava carried in presents to people who've lost everything.
Well, when we first heard about these Ukrainian families that had come to our area and they were in such great need, I had called and asked what it was that we could do for Christmas for them, because it's such a difficult time of year anyway, but if you're going through it and you really don't have anything, I wanted them to have something to celebrate. And so we called and we asked, and we got a really small list of things that they wanted, like a crock pot or something. And so we said, okay, we're going to take care of that, no problem, but tell us a little more about the families so that we could give them a really good Christmas.
It was really fun to see them, react and be all happy about it, and their stories were really touching, and I enjoyed hearing about them.
Community leaders recognized immediately that assisting these Ukrainians is a Christian outreach to heal the hearts of many and a potential way to help fill the serious labor shortage in Western PA.